Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Klipsch Cinema 800 soundbar and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. This is going to wipe off all of the Wi-Fi network connection history, all of the Bluetooth pairing history. It will also unpair any remotes or anything like that, and this will basically be back to the way it was when it came out of the box. You might want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case this soundbar is not working for any reason, like it's not connecting to your network or it's not syncing or pairing to Bluetooth. A factory reset can fix a lot of those issues. The other reason you might want to do this is just if for whatever reason you want to delete all of the network history, pairing and everything like that. So you can basically set this up like a brand new soundbar. We can go ahead and do that. It's really easy to do. With power to it, we're just going to come in and find the power button here and the source button right next to it. And we're just going to press and hold both of those buttons simultaneously for at least 10 seconds. Just keep holding it, and eventually the display will just go back to the volume display, indicating that the reset has been successfully completed. You can go ahead and set this soundbar up like a brand new soundbar.